Well, one of the other theme gardens that's really looking nice right now, even in the summer heat, is our blue and yellow garden. Now again, this garden is comprised mostly of annuals, and while you might not want a garden completely of annuals in your own landscape, you can see from this garden how some annuals in the landscape can really add a lot of color. And so you can leave little slots in there to put those annuals in next spring. Now, some of the really good performers, even in this summer heat, this is the Summer Wave Improved Taurinia, and we've planted this before, and it is again performing quite well in all this heat. And you can see we've got our beautiful blue flowers on here. We've also got a plant covered with buds, so it's going to continue. And this plant gets anywhere from 12 to 18 inches tall. If it's kind of crowded in like it is here, it'll kind of climb up, but it tends to be more of a spreading ground cover type of an annual. Now right in back of it, we have another plant that's yellow. This is a gaillardia. This is called Yellow Sun. And we grew this from seed. We obtained the seed from Park's Seed Catalog. And it is a really pretty gaillardia. And it's a nice combination. And of course the gaillardia, which is our state wildflower, is a great plant for the hot summers. Now right back here we've got a plant that is not an annual. It's actually a perennial, but it's tropical. So here we grow it as an annual, and this is called Gold Star Esperanza, also known as yellow bells. And we looked at it earlier in the season, but I wanted to show you here that we have a lot of these beautiful yellow bells all over it. Foliage is also nice, disease and pest free, so it's doing quite well. We also have a really nice combination. In fact, this is my favorite combination in the entire garden. We have the new gold lantana coupled with the Victoria blue salvia back here, and you can see how the lantana has kind of mixed in with the salvia, and you've got that beautiful gold and blue combination. And out of all the plants in here, I really think this is the most striking combination for the landscape because it really can pick up your eye from across the garden. So these are just a few of the annuals that can really add some oomph to your garden during those summer hot months.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.